orange color, brown color, light green color, light blue color, yellow color, red color. I will use all the colors in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful ball with tracing. Here I draw a dotted picture. Let's connect all the dots and try to draw with me. I will make it a rainbow ball. Do you know what is the name of this ball? This is called a water polo ball. I completed to draw the ball. Now it's time to color it. First one I am using red color. Red. This is red color. Now I am using the yellow color. Yellow color. And this is orange color. Orange color. Now I am using light blue color. Blue. Light blue color. Here I am using light green color. Green. Light green color. And the last one I am using brown color. Brown color. Wow, the water polo ball is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye little kids.